One of the great things with WorkAxle is that if you look at how we configure everything throughout the system, from employment terms to time types to union rules to shift validation, a lot of it is done through an easy to use interface where even someone who hops in today in an hour or two would be able to have enough knowledge to configure even the most complex rules with simple drag and drop. In plain English or whatever your language of preference, you'd be able to easily go in and say, okay, I can pull my overtime rule, a bit like a Lego block, and I could say, I want to apply this rule for a certain group of people. In our solution, in plain English, you can go and configure the simplest things to the most complex, all with the very same approach. And as compliance evolves over time, you can go and make these modifications yourself very quickly, simply, and then you can simulate it to get the appropriate results and pass that on to your payroll people, to your compliance people, or to whoever should do the validation, and then effective date it. So you're handling all this complexity so simply, and then you're getting it validated all within a very simple time span. The control is back in your hands and not in the hands of whoever the provider is or whoever the specific body of knowledge is who has the ability to configure this tool. So a modern WFM, one that is truly composable and one that is passing the sniff test, is something similar to WorkAxle where you can actually go and do hugely complex things in the simplest way.